channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a little tiny luxury haul. I have a handbag, I have 2 pairs of shoes, a pair of sunglasses, and a fragrance that I want to share with you. Now, I think 3 of these items I actually got from the recent Neiman Marcus gift card event. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure to do so, because whenever Saks Fifth Avenue or Neiman Marcus has any type of gift card event, I try to share it to my stories to let you guys know, because if you're anything like me, if I know I'm gonna buy a designer handbag, I want to know that I can kind of get something with my purchase, and so that's what we have today. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see what I picked up in this little luxury haul, then keep watching. Okay guys, I am going to start with this little guy right here. This is by Tory Burch, and this was something I actually just picked up yesterday, and it's a pair of sandals, and I actually was walking through Bloomingdale's, and I think these are new because it was the first time I had seen them. Are the Mini Miller sandals in the tortoise shell. How pretty are they? These are the jelly sandals. Now, I usually wear a size 8, but I sized up in these because I find sometimes with the Miller sandals, they can run a little small. That's just my personal opinion, and I have a little bit of a wider foot, but I just loved these tortoise shell. How cute are they? And these were $98, so they're definitely more affordable than the typical Miller sandal, but they are jellies. But one of the reasons I love the leopard print is I feel as though leopard print pairs very nicely with some of my Louis Vuitton monogram bags. So I picked these up. I couldn't resist. I'm so excited about it. And I actually got these from Bloomingdale's. But like I said, I was in Bloomingdale's yesterday. I saw these and they kind of stood out to me because I remember seeing the clear and the pink and then there's like a tan in these, but this is the first time I was seeing the leopard print. So if you guys are into leopard print and you like Tory Burch, make sure to check out Bloomingdale's. I will try to find these and link them down below in case you guys are interested. But this was the first item I picked up. Okay, now, so like I said, I have a pair of shoes from Stuart Weitzman. I have a pair of sunglasses, a perfume, and then I have a bag. I'll save the bag for last. Let's go ahead and let's do the sunglasses. These sunglasses I was so excited about. They actually come in the black and they also come in a tortoise shell as well. They are by Fendi, and the sunglasses that I picked up are, ready for this? They are black sunglasses. And how cute are these? They almost have like a little bit of a cat eye, and then on the side here they have the Fendi logo. They had these at Neiman Marcus, and actually at Bloomingdale's a couple weeks back I saw the tortoise shell and I had them in my cart, but I didn't get them because I thought they looked like really similar to some of the other sunglasses I had, but I thought these were really nice. You can't go wrong with a good pair of black sunglasses, and I believe this is actually the first pair of Fendi sunglasses that I own, and these were actually on sale. So they were originally like $405 and I got them for under $200 because Neiman Marcus, I also used a promo code where I could get an additional percentage off. So they're really cute. Again, Fendi logo on both sides, and then they're just plain black. But if you're able to get your hands on the tortoise shell, which they did actually have them in the Nordstrom anniversary sale, but they sold out quick. Those are so cute because they have the Fendi logo all throughout. I had those on my wish list as well, but then I told myself, you know what, like I said, I don't really need them, but I really love the look of these. I just think they're chic. I can wear them casual if I'm walking a dog, and I can also wear them if I run into the office, but I love them. And that was the first pair, and like I said, I got a great deal on these because they were originally like $405 and I got them for under $200. So it just comes with this cute little Fendi case, and you can see the pretty pink on the interior. So now I want to share with you a perfume. So I have been on a perfume kick lately. If you guys didn't check out my recent Nordstrom anniversary sale haul, make sure to do so. I discovered a new scent, which I'm absolutely in love with. I love citrus scents, and it was by Erin, and it was the Mediterranean honeysuckle. Oh my gosh, if you like citrus scents, honeysuckle scents, light scents, it's so good. So that was one that I discovered recently that I absolutely love, and they're actually having, I think it's on sale for $90 for a whole little kit. So anyway, but I was in Neiman Marcus when I saw this, and I saw this bottle, and the bottle like was so beautiful, and I smelled a couple of them, but this is the one that kind of really drew me in. It is by Roja, and the perfume that I chose is Reckless. And look at this bottle. So first off, it comes in this little box. It has like this silk little bed that it's almost laying in. It's a beautiful purple bottle. I mean, the bottle is absolutely stunning. I don't know if the camera's going to do it justice. It's a purple bottle. It has like a little triangle rhinestone. I have heard a lot of things about Roja, but a lot of people talk about the fragrance 51, and I smelled that and it smelled good, but when I smelled Reckless, I was like, it's just, I'm not going to do a good job describing it. So because of that, I'm going to read you guys the notes of it. So this says, extraordinary awaits. It has bergamot, lemon, lavender, bay, and artemisia. Create a fresh foil for a sweet heart of jasmine and rose, warmed by cypress, cedar, and sandalwoods, vetiver, and oak moss, and livened by cinnamon, clove, cardamom, pepper, and ginger, the whole nestling of an ultra-soft base of tonka bean, frankincense, styrax, and orris with whispers of sensual musk. Okay, so this is just such a nice scent. It's a very light scent too. Like I spray it and it just, oh my gosh, it's very intoxicating. And I know I'm probably not doing a great job of describing it, so let me kind of share with you a couple more of the notes. It's warm and dry, fresh, sweet, spicy, soft, leathery, and very sensual. This is just so nice. I would recommend, I've seen, I don't know if Nordstrom carries them, but I saw them at Neiman Marcus. Go and kind of give this a smell, and the bottle is beautiful. Now, I will be honest, it's a little pricey. This bottle was around $300, but once again, I was sucked in because they had a gift with purchase. At the time, they were giving out like a little brush set with purchase. So I thought, you know what, I've been really into perfumes lately, and I've kind of been collecting them. So this one is definitely a luxury perfume that I wanted to try. So, but I don't hear a lot of people talking about Roja. So if you guys have this scent, let me know how you like it. Or if you do end up going into a store, I would highly recommend testing this and just giving it a sniff. It's really nice. It's not like overpowering and strong. And I do find that when I've been wearing this, it's just such a nice fresh scent. I really like it. And on top of that, it's different than anything I have in my collection. It's not citrusy. It's not, doesn't smell like gardenia. You guys know those are the two scents I really love, but it's just a little different and unique. And as I stated, you get the beautiful packaging. So I was excited to pick that up, and like I said, I did end up getting a gift with purchase. You guys know I'm all about my gifts with purchase. Okay, now I want to share with you the sandals I picked up, and then I will share with you the bag I picked up. Okay, so I will be honest, I don't really own a ton of luxury shoes. I prefer to invest my money in handbags because I feel like handbags will last a really long time, whereas shoes, obviously you walk in them, so they're not going to always last as long. But I did see these, and these are by Stuart Weitzman, and I purposely got these to match that. So if you see the shoes afterwards, you'll have to give me a guess down below if you think you know what the handbag might be. So I think the only other pair of designer shoes I own are my Chloe mule sandals, and then I do have a pair of Gucci peep toe pumps, but I think other than that I don't own any designer shoes. So these are a pair of sandals. These are the Stuart Weitzman Goldie Jelly Sandals with the pearl detail. You guys, I have had my eye on these for a while now. They have them in the black with the beautiful pearl detail, but they also had them in the clear, and I think they had a nude as well, but I just loved the pearl detail. And I know I talk about it all the time, but obviously it's the summer months and I love to wear sandals and dresses, and I saw these sandals and I thought that they would pair so nicely with that item back there. These are so cute, and I actually felt as though they were semi-affordable for designer shoes. I actually ended up using a promo code and I got these for $139. I want to say they're like over $150, but I thought for a pair of Stuart Weitzman shoes that wasn't bad. But aren't these cute? I just fell in love with the pearl detail. They're so pretty, and I think I'm going to get a good amount of use out of them. I don't have a ton of black sandals, but these are just something something different, and they're a little more elevated with the pearl details. So yeah, really excited, but I mainly got these to go with this handbag. So I have to tell you, I have wanted this bag for a really, really long time. So when the Neiman Marcus event came up, I was like, it is the perfect time to get it. And a lot of times it's out of stock, but it happened to be in stock. And the item I picked up is Saint Laurent tote in the black. I'm so excited. Now you guys know this one comes in the neutral shade, which I see all of the bloggers with it. It looks so nice, but I don't see a ton of people with the black tote. And I went back and forth. I'm like, do I want the black one or do I want the cream colored one? And I like to kind of be a little different at times, but you know how much I love black handbags. And I thought this one I could wear in the summer months, and then I could also use it as a work tote as well. So I'm super excited about it. Again, I'm also going to be getting a gift card in the future since they were having the gift card event. It's so, so pretty. So it's just a big black tote. It has the Saint Laurent logo in white here. But again, I thought that this would pair really nicely with these shoes. What do you guys think? I can just picture like a white summer dress or even like a black summer dress. I just thought that would be so nice. So let me go ahead and show you a little bit. It's a big bag, so let me stand up here. Let me take a moment. I got this dress from Target, under $30. It has pockets, but it's super cute. I'll try to find it and link it down below, but I just wanted to mention that since I was standing up. So here is the tote. It is rather large, and I was a little bit on the fence about how big it is, but it's super, super cute. And then it has buttons. And I like it because you can open the buttons all the way up to expand it. You take the paper out. And this retails for $12.50. But I like because if you don't want to be flashy and have the Saint Laurent logo, you can kind of carry it that way as well. And I think it will fit a lot. It'll fit a laptop. It also has this little zip compartment here. I just think this is going to be a great bag. So let me go ahead and put it on so you can see how it fits on my frame. And I am 5'3". So it is a large bag, so keep that in mind. But again, how cute do you think this would be for summer? You can use this as a beach tote. You can wear this with summer dresses. And then I also, like I said, I think it can be good for work as well. I'm not currently going into the office now, but I think if I am, this will be great because you can put like paperwork and folders, laptop, all sorts of stuff. I'm so excited about how well they match with the Stuart Weitzman jelly. It's so cute, right, you guys? So I'm super excited about this tote. I think it's going to serve a lot of purposes. And like I said, I don't really see the black very often. I more so see the cream, which I love, and I consider getting the cream as well. But I try to stay true to my style, and I know that for me, I definitely love black handbags, which I know I probably have too many, but I just thought this was cute, and the gift card event, I just couldn't resist. So let me know out of the items I picked up, which one's your favorite. Just to do a quick recap, I have the tote, the Stuart Weitzman sandals, I have the Roja perfume, the Fendi sunglasses, and I also have these cute little Tory Burch leopard print slides. So excited about it. I think these are a lot of really great items that I'm going to get some use out of. Again, I love how these pair nicely with the Louis Vuitton monogram. You can't go wrong with a classic pair of black sunglasses, and then these two pair nicely, and then I am excited about the new perfume. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like usual, I will be sure to link all these items down below in the event you're interested in any of them. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Wish me the best of luck.